Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I have a quick unboxing and overview of these truly wireless earbuds. They're called the Haylou GT1s. Put it a bit closer to the camera so you guys can see the box. So these are truly wireless in-ear style design. So they are similar to AirPods Pro design, however they don't have any noise cancelling or anything. And they're on the budget side, so these are around 20 to 25 pounds. I picked these up on sale on Black Friday for £16, so they're very cheap, so I don't really know what to expect, but I have heard very good things from other people about these. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm really looking forward to this. This is my first pair of like earbuds. I have a headphone jack on my phone, so I don't really tend to use earbuds, but yeah, that's the plastic out of the way. You got a code there to scan for the app that they have. Let's get that out of the way though, and here's the box. Seems pretty nice. Have some of the features there. So we got charging times. I don't know if you guys can see that. Charging times 1.5 hours. Working is 3.5 hours per bud. Charging case takes 2 hours to charge, so you have some milliamp hour features and capacities here, as well as Bluetooth and all that. So yeah, let's just get straight into the box. So I'm guessing it just flaps open. Yep, it does. And first of all, we have the earbuds themselves here, wrapped in some plastic. Here they are. Case is actually pretty small. Don't know, that's my hand. Do I have anything else I can show as an example of? Here's a Razer Blade 15 laptop. So this is how big it is, next to the Razer logo. So it's pretty small, that's for sure. Oh, it's just some paperwork and that. So I don't think we get a cable then, it looks like. They do run off micro USB. Oh, I think we do. No, we do here. Here's the cable. So this is a, just open this real quick. This is a micro USB, tiny little cable here, which you can use to charge. I'm quite happy that that is included because, yeah, micro USB, I don't have many of them around, so I will gladly take that. And other than that, oh, there's something else in there. Oh yeah, spare ear tips. So we have, I'm guessing small and large are in here. Yeah, don't know if you guys can see that. So small ear tips and large ear tips in here. I'm just gonna put these away. I think the medium ones will be fine. And that is in fact it. So you get a decent amount of stuff in the box. This is the manual here, so it just has some instructions, how to connect them. There's a sticker apparently on them, etc. You guys can read that in your own time or online if you want. This is just a support thing, where to contact them if you have any issues, etc., or if you want to leave any reviews. You can do that here. I'm going to leave that all to the side. I'm just going to get to the earbuds themselves, which are these. And take this plastic off. And yeah, they feel quite, they feel decent. I'm going to open them for the first time. Wait, how do they, oh, we don't talk about that. Okay. Okay, so they are magnetic. Feels decent. Cases does feel quite cheap, to be honest, but I don't know what more to expect, to be honest. So here's the case. Take out the earbuds. They have some plastic on them as well. They are. They actually feel pretty solid, the earbuds. Here's the case, so it's glossy inside with matte black. Tells you right and left. Tells you where to put them in. And here's the charging port on the case. Some of the battery things, battery capacities as well. You guys can see that. So we have model numbers, etc. And yeah, that's about it. That's about it for this quick overview. I'll take this plastic off. So, oh, that stops them from charging, which is nice. Stops them from constantly charging in the box, which is always good. But yeah, I think I'm just going to end it there. I will post a full review of these on my Amazon profile. When that's posted, I'll link that down below. But this was just a unboxing and overview of these Haylou GT1 earbuds. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try and answer them as many as I can. But yeah, that's all I really want to include in this vid. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, hope to see you in the next tech video. Peace out.